Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So, if you watched my last BoxyCharm, I got this Dose of Colors. Really pretty, like holiday, Christmassy, goldish green color. And I didn't get to try it out. And the more I thought about it, the more I was like, I really want to do a holiday glam look with that eyeshadow. So, that's what we're doing today. Also, all of the products that I use in today's video will be linked down below in the description. Just click that little arrow. I think it's over here. And you can shop all the products through Amazon. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I tried to do some holiday curls, but with all this hair, I got to clip this stuff back. Does anyone else have like these little short hairs right here that just want to stick out? They don't want to go behind your ear. Like, I don't know what to do with this. Crazy hair. Crazy hair. So, okay, so for foundation today, I have not tanned in so long. I'm super pale. So I need to find a pale foundation. Okay, so I'm going to go in first with this, with this primer from LORAC. It's the Light Source 3-in-1 Illuminating Primer. Love the way it feels. It makes my skin feel super moisturized. It smells so good. And right now, my skin is probably like, what are you doing? Because I have not been wearing makeup. Like, it's probably been, not even kidding, like a week or 2 weeks since I've worn makeup. I just have not been feeling good at all, and I feel like that always reflects. I feel like how you feel usually reflects in your appearance. Like, you feel like crap, usually you look like crap, and vice versa. When you look like crap, it makes you feel like crap. So, today I woke up and I was like, I'm tired of feeling like I look awful, so let me just try to push through and do some makeup today. Make myself look better and make myself feel better. So, up next, I'm going to go in with the BH Liquid Foundation. I love BH Cosmetics products. I was blown away when I did the video, testing it all out. And I remember this foundation I really liked, but it was too light for me at the time because I had self-tanned. But right now, like I said, hadn't felt like doing anything, so hadn't tanned. So I'm super light compared to what I normally look like. So this should hopefully match perfect, which I think it does. It's looking really good. So the bumps under my nose, where are they at? I think it's this side. Pretty much almost gone away. And now I woke up the other day with a bump up here, but it didn't last long. It was just like a tiny little one, and now it's just like a scab. I'll try to cover that up. This hormonal skin, y'all, is a problem. Pretty good. Look how good that foundation looks. It's like perfect right now for my skin color. Natural finish, I love it. Okay, next I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Fairest. And we're going to put that under the eyes, up here, down the nose, and here. Hadn't done makeup in so long. I'm like, hope I'm not like out of habit with doing it. I kind of feel like it's like riding a bike though. Like, it's like your hand just naturally knows what to do when you've done it for so long, but let's hope it looks good at the end. Okay. Alright, I'm also going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and this is just the shade Translucent. And I always go up on the eyelids and set the concealer that I put up there just to kind of prime them for the eyeshadow, get them ready. If you have like dark or veiny eyelids, kind of just gives you like a blank canvas so that your eyeshadow will show up a little better. Okay. Powder. I feel like I always make a mess with powder. Like it's everywhere. It's all over me. Now this belly just catches everything. So, alright. I think for bronzer today, I'm going to go in with the MAC. This is Refined Golden Bronzing Powder. Just mixing it all up today, all the brands. Kind of don't remember what this one looked like. Hopefully it's not too much. I think it's pretty. If you go in kind of light with it. I actually think I like it better right now with my skin being lighter than I did when my skin was darker, because I feel like it shows up a little better. I think it wasn't dark enough when my skin was darker, because like kind of having to build it up a little bit. So definitely when my skin was darker, it was probably a little too light. Get the gobble. Get the gobble. I don't know what it is, but for some reason, I like blend it out like in a V motion so it doesn't look unnatural. For some reason, whenever I'm pregnant, my chin just like immediately gets fatter. Just my face just turns into like a puffer fish. Like everything just looks puffy. My nose looks bigger and puffier. I know that happens with a lot of women like towards the end, like their nose swells up when like right before they have the baby, but with me I feel like it just immediately wants to blow up. All right, we're gonna take that same bronzer and try to contour this swollen nose we got going on. My husband's gonna come home and be like, who is this woman in my house? Because I have not had makeup on in so long. I feel like I look like a different person. There's the nose contoured. Okay, for blush today, I hadn't used this one since I did the video testing it out, but kind of want to use it again. It looks like it would be pretty today. So this is the Honest Beauty Lit Powder Blush in the shade Flirty. Let's just try this out today. I don't really remember how it worked either. I feel like a lot of the products that I used in my Honest video, I didn't like. Seems like I didn't really care for the foundation, like the cream and stuff that I used, so it kind of threw off all the rest of the stuff that I put on top. So we'll give this a shot now that I have a foundation on that I like. It's actually really pretty, like a peachy natural flush. I'm just kind of tapping that on. Very pretty. Not too crazy with the blush today. Really pretty. I like that a lot. Then for highlight, I think I'm feeling this like champagne-y color today. So we're going to go in with this. This is the White Gold highlight from e.l.f. I can get it open. Top of the cheeks. Sometimes I like to wait till the end and do my spray, my setting spray, and then do the highlight if I don't feel like it's sticking, which in this case, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to do the highlight at the end. So, okay, next we need to do brows. Jumping in with my REALHER. Y'all already know I'm obsessed with this thing. Brow pencil. Least favorite part of the makeup routine, always. Don't know why. I just feel like every time I do my brows, like, it can turn out so different for some reason. I feel like I do the same thing every time, and yet they always look different. Sometimes they look really good, sometimes they get like out of control, and I'm like, what happened? I got caterpillars on my face. So I'm trying not to go too crazy today. Since it's been so long since I've done my makeup, I'm kind of scared. Alright, that one looks decent. And once you get like a decent brow, it's like trying to make the other one match. Especially if your brows are like mine, which I think most people's are, and they're not identical, then it's really hard. Because if you follow the natural shape, then they're going to look different. If your brows look different naturally, duh. I'm going to leave them alone before they get out of hand. Okay, brows are on. Let's go ahead with the fun part now and jump in with our dose of colors. Gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm thinking is like a full lid with this. I just feel like that would be so pretty. So I'm going to take this flat, large shader brush from Sigma. This is the E60. It's just like a flat brush. Let's start popping this on the lid. Kind of wonder if it will work better with my finger. It's not working bad with this. There is some fallout already happening. Like, oh my gosh, all over my face there's fallout. Big time. This is like looking black. Like, it doesn't look like that, but it is looking black with just a little bit of glitter on my lid. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna dust this off because it's like I can feel it on my face. And I'm wondering if we should go in with our finger. Let's try it. Ew. Like, it is a really pretty, like, look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. That is a really pretty color. And it's working better with my finger than it did with that brush. And then I'm gonna have to just blend it out with the brush around the top and edges. Look at that. It's like, on my eyelid it looks like black with gold glitter. But in here it looks, I don't know, but I guess it kind of looks the same. Doesn't look as green on my eye for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna take, I hate having this on my finger. I'm gonna take a blending brush. So I'm going to take this blending brush now and dip into a little bit more and try to kind of smoke out the edge. This is like a one eyeshadow look I was going for, just because this is so intense as it is. I just feel like you don't really need to go too crazy with other shadows with this one. And it's super dark and it's got the glitter, so just smoke it out. I feel like it'd be so pretty. I'm gonna have to go back on top and add more of that glitter because I'm like knocking it off now. I'll say it's not that easy to blend out with a brush. It's kind of chalky, if y'all can see, but I'm trying to make this work because I feel like it's so pretty. Love. Okay, this may be one of those shadows that you actually need to like do your foundation and stuff after because there's so much fallout and it's so dark. Like, I feel like it's messing up my makeup underneath my eye. Yeah, I feel like when you use a brush, like, the glitter doesn't want to stick. Only the dark powder wants to stick. And it's like black. I did not expect that. Looking at the pan, it just does not look black to me. It is black on the lid. So this eye, I'm trying to just go ahead and build everything first. Like, build out the shape with the black. Go ahead and blend it out with my other brush. Now that I've got it laid down, I'm gonna blend it out with this brush, and then I'm gonna save the glitter for last because I just knocked it off the other eye when I was trying to blend. It's pretty blended. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the finger and pack some of that glitter on the lid. Definitely just goes to show, like, when you look at eyeshadow in the pan, it does not always look that way on your eye, because this really threw me off. I was not expecting black at all, but the glitter is gorgeous. Okay, I need to wipe my hand. Okay, dust away all this fallout, and we got a lot of fallout. I am going to try to take my pencil brush, go underneath just a little, because where I blended it out on this side, I don't want it just to stop. So I'm going to kind of tie it together and give that smoked out look. And then once we add the liner, it'll like really help. Moving on, let's jump in with some liner. So I think I'm just going to go in with my Flower Beauty liner. This is their Forever Wear Winged Liner. It's like a liquid marker, which is my favorite kind. So we're going to put that on the top lid and do a little wing. Since we're doing kind of a glam look, why not? Like, that looks pretty good for the top. Then for the bottom, this is the e.l.f. waterproof gel liner. It's just black. So I'm going to go on the waterline with that. Of course, it needs to be sharpened. Every time I pull out a liner to use, it needs to be sharpened. And then I always like to try to connect this outer triangle just a little and make that line a little thicker on the bottom. I feel like it just makes your eyes pop a little more. Then now when we add our mascara, camera is shaking like crazy. We'll go in with our Too Faced mascara, like always. I feel like when you do darker shadows, the only downfall of that is it's harder to see your lashes. So if you're someone like me who does not wear fake lashes, then you kind of got to work a little harder. But I feel like that looks pretty good. That's only 2 coats with this stuff. I mean, this stuff is awesome, y'all know. Ooh, I am liking this. Now that it's coming together, just looks like smoky, and I like it. I did forget to do the brow highlight. So I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to take our highlighter that we're going to use on our face, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a highlight up here on the brow bone. I always do this. No matter what eyeshadow look I do, I always highlight the brow bone. I just feel like it makes a difference. Okay, and then I'm also going to go a teeny bit right here on the inner corner. And I should have done this before I did the mascara and eyeliner, but I just always think it looks so much better when you brighten up the inner corner. It just makes you, like, it makes your eyes instantly look like brighter, more awake. I don't know why I'm shutting this. So all we have left to do now is lips and our highlight. So I did get this pretty, like, deep red in my BoxyCharm, my last one from REALHER, and I tried, came in a duo, so I tried the nude one, but the red one, I thought, let's go ahead and throw that on today. Wipe off my chapstick. Let's throw that on today with our holiday glam. I mean, you have to do a red lip. As much as I, like, never do red lips, I'm gonna do a red lip. I feel like it'd be really pretty just with a nude lip. Honestly, normally for me personally, I'd probably just do a nude lip because, like I said, I never do a red lip. But for the holiday glam, you gotta go red. And this isn't really red, it's more of a kind of a berryish red. This is the REALHER lip liner in the shade Be Yourself, Be REALHER. So, whew, and she is red. I feel like this color is gonna stain. Clown lips, here we go. Always look uneven to me, y'all know, but we're just gonna roll with it. So I need a red lip that's gonna match this. You know what? Ooh, that's it. Let's try this one. So this is from Too Faced. It's called Rebel Heart, and I hadn't worn this one in so long. Y'all see why I don't do red lips. That's intense. Have eyebrow hair. You need to go. Like I said, very intense lips, but it is a holiday look, so I always feel like my lips are uneven and then I make them worse. So now all that's left is we're going to do some setting spray. This is just my MAC Fix Plus. Classic, like my favorite probably. Setting spray, it smells good, feels good, looks good. And then while that's still a little damp, we're going to add a highlight, which is what's missing to really get that glam look. I should have done my highlight here before my lipstick, and I didn't. And then do a teeny bit down the nose and on the tip. And there we have our holiday glam makeup look. I think, honestly, the shadow is just, like, gorgeous. And, like I said, the lips are a little crazy for me. I don't normally do red lip, but for holiday, yeah, overall I think the eyeshadow is gorgeous when you use your finger to apply it. With the brush, it just wasn't working. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will link all of the products that I used down in the description below through Amazon. If you like this video, y'all please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope everyone's having a great Christmas so far. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.